Have you ever wondered where the Olympic Games, which now unite the world every 4 years, actually originated from? Let's journey back over 2,700 years to the ancient shores of Greece. The city of Olympia, a name that still echoes today, was the birthplace of this grand event. It was not just a competition, it was a celebration of athleticism, culture, and unity. Imagine the scene, competitors from various Greek city-states converging on Olympia, their hearts pounding with anticipation and the desire for glory. They would engage in a myriad of events, from the swift-footed races to the grueling wrestling matches, and even the thrilling chariot races. This was not merely a display of physical strength and speed, it was a testament to the human spirit. So, the Olympics were not just about sports, but also about honoring the gods and showcasing physical prowess. Fascinating, isn't it? Now that we've learned about the origin of the Olympics, what about the spirit of the Games that continues to inspire today? Just like a torch passed down through the ages, the spirit of the ancient Olympics has never waned. It still shines brightly, inspiring athletes and spectators alike, more than 2,700 years later. The ancient Olympics were not simply about winning. They embodied values that went beyond the athletic field, values that continue to shape the modern games we know and love today. They celebrated excellence, not just in physical prowess, but in character and sportsmanship. Athletes were expected to compete with honor, demonstrating respect for their fellow competitors and the rules of the games. But the Olympic spirit is not just about individual excellence, it's about unity. Competitors from various Greek city-states would put aside their differences and gather in Olympia. Despite the rivalries and conflicts that might exist back home, these athletes would come together in a display of camaraderie and mutual respect. The Games were a rare occasion when all Greeks were equals, regardless of their social status or wealth. This spirit of unity is a cornerstone of the modern Olympics. Today, athletes from all corners of the globe gather to compete, embodying the spirit of friendly competition and mutual respect that was so integral to the ancient games. The Olympics serve as a reminder that, despite our differences, we can come together and celebrate our shared love of sport. The spirit of the Games also extends beyond the athletes. Spectators from around the world tune in to cheer on their country's representatives, sharing in the excitement and drama of the competition. And in doing so, they too become part of the Olympic spirit, part of this grand tradition that transcends borders and unites us all. It's clear that the ancient Greeks were onto something when they started the Olympics. They created a tradition that not only celebrates athleticism, but also encourages unity and friendship. So the next time you watch the Olympics, remember you're not just watching a sports event. You're participating in a tradition that dates back over 2 millennia, a tradition steeped in the spirit of excellence, unity, and friendship. We've talked about the origins and spirit of the ancient Olympics, but how does this all tie into the modern games we know and love today? Well, the ancient Olympics have left an undeniable imprint on our modern games, like footprints in the sands of time. Many of the sports we see today have their roots in those early competitions. The marathon, for instance, takes its name from the legendary run of Phidippides, from the battlefield of Marathon to Athens. And wrestling, a staple of the ancient games, is still a key event today. Yet, the modern Olympics have also evolved and expanded. New sports have been introduced over the years, reflecting the changing trends and interests of the global community. Skateboarding and surfing, for instance, made their Olympic debut in the 2020 Games, showcasing the dynamism and adaptability of the competition. But it's not just about the sports. The spirit of the Olympics, that sense of unity and excellence that was so integral to the ancient games, still resonates deeply today. Athletes from around the world gather every 4 years, not just to compete, but to celebrate their shared passion for sports and to build bridges of friendship and understanding. They strive for personal bests, yes, but also for the honor of representing their countries on the world stage. And let's not forget the Olympic torch relay, a tradition that echoes the sacred fire of Olympia. The flame is lit in Greece, then carried across continents, symbolizing the journey from the ancient to the modern games, and the global unity that the Olympics inspire. The modern Olympics, therefore, are not just a series of sports competitions. They're a celebration of human potential, a testament to our shared heritage, and a powerful reminder of the values that bind us together: excellence, friendship, and respect. So, next time you tune into the Olympics, remember the rich history and enduring spirit of these games that trace back to ancient Greece. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of athletic competition and international camaraderie. So, What have we learned today about the intriguing origins of the Olympic Games? We've journeyed back to ancient Greece, where over 2,700 years ago, the Olympic Games were born in Olympia. We've celebrated the spirit of athleticism, culture, and unity, and witnessed how these ancient competitions have shaped our modern games. From ancient Olympia to our living rooms, the Olympic Games have endured, reminding us of our shared love for sport, competition, and unity. Here's to the Games, and here's to us, the global audience, keeping the spirit of the Olympics alive.